Wait lang, dyan na. Again.
Did you get that video? It's our new car!
Daddy, ano yung ulit yung landscape?
Hindi naman.
Ano ulit yung
Yan, pa
landscape?
ganyan.
Okay.
Yung landscape.
Mag-seatbelt ka.
Wait, Daddy, how are we gonna get... What are we gonna do with this car? How are we gonna get it home as well?
Iiwanan nga muna yung isang car sa apartment.
Okay, then tomorrow we're gonna bring it back.
Hmm.
Yeah, but how are we gonna drive both of them back?
Tomorrow, si Mami din magdadrive. Si Mami na magdadrive nito.
Then can I go in here?
Oo.
Yay! I can watch if there's an airplane right there, we can see it.
Yes, pakita mo si Janaya dyan, kuya.
Again.
I'm so happy.
Thank you, Lord. Ingatan niyo po kami.
Di ba karta ni Mami? Ba't ikaw yung una nag-drive?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
So Daddy can try it.
Eh, palagi man to ita-try ni Daddy. At si Mami.
Yay! Daddy's our driver.
Daddy, eh di sayang. Hindi naman din natin ito magagamit ng masyado kasi si Mami magagamit.
Hindi pangatid-atid ko sa school. Ito.
Ay, lagot. Ano, puno na yung basketball court namin. Hindi na kami makaka-basketball.